Alright, so let's continue our tutorial video. I just had to stop this video because my door got open, so got interrupted. Alright, let's continue our tutorial. My Xbox 360 console did not power it on just yet, so let's continue our Xbox 360 console now. Alright. Hang on a second. Alright. First, but not least, you want to do is you plug the HDMI cable to the back of the console. There you go. Okay, HDMI is plugged in. Next, you want to, what's next? There's an AV cord back here. Next but not least, power supply. There you go. It's very simple, guys. I'm doing another tutorial video about this, of how to set up your Xbox 360. We're still continuing it. It's very simple. All you need to do is plug in two simple steps. All you need to do is plug your HDMI cable into the Xbox 360 and then your power supply as well. Now we got that all taken care of. Let's see if this is going to run. I want to make sure everything works. I'm going to scoot this thing up so you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys something here. I'm going to make sure of everything works. The disc slot, the disc tray, the power button, and everything works. So let's get the TV on. We're gonna stop this video and I'm gonna go to the next one. I'll see you guys there.